Hi, good morning, guys. Today is April 21st, and we're gonna do a quick analysis about Dogecoin. Now, since the price of Dogecoin have been essentially being pushed by hypes, but that doesn't mean that we cannot make some analysis on it because I did told you about my position on Dogecoin, and I don't trade it because it doesn't fit my criteria, to be part of my watch list. It is on my short watch list for the future bear, but not for now. I always start my analysis on the biggest time frame, which is the monthly for me, and this is what I always say, this is the bull insanity. But I have two things here to show you. This is the weekly time frame, and this is RSI on weekly time frame. Now this RSI, I've already told you that this is a line that I'm gonna be paying attention for the next few months, because if we break through it, if we doesn't matter what reaction we have, anything can happen on this line. But what the best situation for me when it comes to for this weekly presentation, for me, if we have a third reaction on this, that would be awesome. Then that will be a confirmation of that RSI uptrend line, and then follow this one. Doesn't matter what we do after, the break will be extremely important. This is now, if this happen, that will be an interesting zone for me to study. So I'm gonna consider this to go on the candle and looking for an interesting zone to short on the 4-hour time frame. So that's the first important thing for me on Dogecoin. That is for the next bear market for the future. The next important point on Dogecoin is how Dogecoin behave overall. So we have like consolidation and a pump, That's typical for coin that are being pushed by hypes. You got someone tweet or whatever, and then you have a crazy pump. So it's nothing very interesting. Now the only thing I did catch here is this wedge right there on the RSI. So when I see this, there's three possibilities, and I'm gonna show you what you can expect. On a 4-hour time frame, and I have this, the first thing that can happen is a break here, because this downtrend line right there that create this wedge been reacting 3 times, so we can clearly say this is a important one. Now if we have this is gonna create a drop on Dogecoin, okay, a very deep one, because we did have someone here. We can have a dip here. Now the other possibility is if we have if we keep squeezing into this wedge, so we're gonna have this same situation of consolidation and waiting for a news or anything to just keep pushing up, because this is not being backed by any real fundamental. It's all about people belief and hypes out there. Now the third possibility on Dogecoin is if we break through this is not a real trend line, but this is possible, and then that will be another pump. So this is what you can expect. Like I already told you, if you do have some of this coin, you just need to hold it, because this is overall a bull market. So the major trend will always be in favor of long position. Now if you don't have any of this, if you feel the need to invest in this stuff, invest only what you can lose, like tomorrow morning, trust me. Now the worst position you can have in Dogecoin is a short. The reason is, and I keep saying this, and that's the reason why I'm doing this video again, is that you should never underestimate people hype, because when people are buying for no reason, these are the crowd you need to be afraid of. Never stand against those people. So just wait. All right. So these are the three actions you can take when it comes to Dogecoins. I'm not gonna go anywhere lower than that because honestly, there's just not enough data to make important analysis about it. So that's it for Dogecoin today, and I guess take care, and I'll take your question on the virtual Bitcoin server. You can use the link to join the server down there. All right, take care, bye.